Experience the standout performance of Ronie Palermo at the Panagyaman Festival 2025 Bikini Open, held on March 19th at the Tayug Plaza, Pangasinan. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Feel free to share in the comments, and as always, let's keep the conversation respectful and positive. Ronie starts strong in the creative bikini costume segment. His festive-themed costume, though more on the decorative side, suits him well, almost like a studio backdrop that highlights his complexion. His confident walk matches the vibrant energy of his look.
Happy Fiesta, Tayug Pangasinan! Ronie Palermo, Binangonan Rizal!
In the red costume bikini round, Ronie turned heads with a striking presentation that flattered his physique. His stage movements had strength and clarity.
And our best in red bikini is candidate number 5.
Ronie rocked the red bikini, a well-deserved win. Congratulations.
You are our Mr. Close-Up Smile. Candidate number 5.
That winning smile earned him Mr. Close-Up Smile. He truly deserved it. The white costume bikini segment showcased Ronie in a pristine look. While the design had a bulkier touch, it didn't overpower his figure. Instead, it brought out a clean, rich, and elegant vibe. In the own choice bikini round, Ronie delivered a performance that highlighted his confident presence. His chosen bikini fit him perfectly, amplifying his appeal on stage.
Number 5. Ronie Palermo.
Always camera ready, Ronie bagged Mr. Photogenic. No surprise there.
Candidate number 5.
Ronie secured his place in the top 5. Having a fair and ample time to present his routine with finesse, his composed and polished performance reinforced his standing among the best.
And the king of the round is Candidate number 5.
With that powerful runway presence, King of the Ramp goes to Ronie. Well earned.
Number 5.
He capped off the night as first runner-up and swept several special awards: Best in Red Bikini, Mr. Close-Up Smile, Mr. Photogenic, and King of the Ramp. What's your take on the results? Share your thoughts in the comments. Ronie proved himself a true standout with a strong presence, refined ramp skills, and a performance that impressed both the judges and the crowd in a tough competition. If you enjoyed this video, we'd truly appreciate your support. Please give it a like, hit subscribe, and join the conversation in the comments. Every interaction helps the channel grow through YouTube's algorithm. Thank you. Want to catch the full, unedited event footage? Check out the links in the description box below.